Welcome back to the channel. It was a long time since the last video. So in this video we will create two cards with images, subtitles and some description of the image with buttons. Basically cards are used in almost all e-commerce websites like Amazon and other food delivery applications as well. So here container is the common div used for both the cards. We can say a div tag is used in HTML to make divisions of the contents in a web page like text, image, header and footer, etc. And the main reason behind giving common classes to both the cards were that we will be using same styling to both these cards, and we can avoid using the same styling multiple times, and it also makes our code dry. So we have inserted the image, the paragraph. Now let's see the output. So this is the image. Now we will copy it and paste and just change the image name. Here both the images are present in the img folder, and hence we have written it as img slash, that is folder name, followed by the image name, and you can see both the images. Now let's give some basic styling. Here the code editor is Visual Studio Code, and to open multiple windows press Ctrl plus backslash. Here first of all we will remove the default margin and padding. On removing default margin and padding, there would be no default space in between div and components present in the div. So this is basic font setting, font size and font family. Now by default in HTML the components are arranged in vertical manner, that is from top to bottom, and hence we use the property of display flex to align the components in horizontal manner, that is from left to right, and justify content center will align the whole body in center of the screen horizontally, and margin 0 auto will do the same vertically, that is it will also arrange the components into center from top to bottom. And I really appreciate you if you are watching this video till here. Drop a thumbs up in the comments section so that I can identify you. I request you to try to do it on your own after watching this video completely, and don't try to copy, and make sure you press the subscribe button. And the most important thing is to link our CSS file to the HTML file. So this is the output, but both the images are not in same size and shape. Now let's give them a height and width so that they will appear in same size and shape. So now let's see the output, and you can see both the images are in same size and shape. Now here we will add some space between the title and our description. Let's see the output. Now we will change image, means we will give some background, margin, padding. So this is the final output of cards.